What happened, guys? What happened? What did you do? Are you insured? I'm taking a video. Did you hurt yourself? I think she did. What happened? Oh my gosh. You have to be careful next time like that. It's good, it's good.
Girl is so faster.
Oh, very, very fast. What happened to your leg?
What's your name?
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's alright. Still looking good. Hey, you like keep on laughing. You're always laughing your ass off.
Ay, doon na tayo dadaan.
They were laughing because they hurt themselves. They fell on the big bike, and my friend hurt her legs, and now she has a scratch.
Bye.
Yeah, okay, bye. You gotta go for now. Later. Bye. With my friends, we're chilling, having a good time.
Yeah, right.
It's my off after 7 months.
Oh, good
Yeah.
for you, girl.
Yeah, that's why I rock. That's why here in other town, I'm in Gyeongju. Gyeongju rock. I'm tired of Busan.
You sure?
It's traffic jam. It's traffic. Can you make it a little faster, please? Oh, there's a lot of people walking in the street. Go. Beep, beep, beep. Excuse us.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Where did they excuse me and they will move? Come on. Show their faces. Show their faces.
Shut up, girl.
Yeah.
Just ride your bike.
yeah, shut up. Move, bitch. Get out of the way. Where are they? Now we're going to the lake.
Where they? Over there.
Up.
My God.
It's hot. Oh, stop already?
Can I stop it?
Sure.
Go.
Hello, do you like my bike? Wanna go for a ride? Maganda dito, oh.
Kami natin kuya naman yun. Kapag-picture.
Bawal dyan. Bawal na sa pamudo.
Dan?
Oo.
It's alright. You like my bike? I just bought it for $10.
Sorry, late naman na daw siya dumating. Ayan. Ayun eh. Okay, let's go. Neng, tara!
Go. Video ba yan?
Oh, sige. Hindi ba malikot? Okay lang. Matapang. Hey, girl.
Hey, girl. Go.
Hi! Ay, shit talaga. Yeah. Video. Lingon na, lintian mo na. Ayun eh. Yeah! Yeah! Ayun eh. We can go there.
Huh?
We cannot, girl, you talk too much.
No, we want to go there. No?
We can take a picture, but we cannot bring this there.
알았어요, 언니.
Okay, say bye-bye now. Bye.